Now today I am going to discuss about of the spirometer. What is the application of spirometer? A spirometer is used to measure radius of curvature like spherical glass, convex lens, concave lens and concave mirror, convex mirror. So these are the three legs. These are the three legs, one, two and back side is three legs. These are the three legs. And middle leg is to measure the circular scale reading. We rotate this circular shape and we measure on the main scale. This is the main scale. You know that 0 from to 10, 0 to 10. 0 to 10, it is the 10 millimeter from 0 to 10, and 0 to 10, it is the 10 millimeter. Both sides have 10 millimeters. When we rotate clockwise direction, then it will go down. We read downside reading. When we moving this circular shape, then it will measure downside reading. When we rotate anti-clockwise direction, then we note upside reading. See here, now we rotate anti-clockwise direction. Now the circular point is going upside. Now when we rotate clockwise direction, then it is coming downside. So now this is number of rotation of circular scale reading. So you know that from 0 to 90 it represents total 100 millimeter. It means that when this circular structure covered total 100 millimeter, then it will travel 1 millimeter of main scale. It means that when one rotation complete by this circular shape, then it will move one section of the main scale. The one section of the main scale is 1 millimeter. From 0 to 10, there are total 10 sections. Each section have 1 millimeter, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 millimeter is upside and 10 millimeter is downside. So now we are measuring the instruments with any kinds of radius of curvature. So first we keep circular reading and main scale reading at 0 considering. The both should be in front of 0. So this circular scale of 0 and main scale of 0 should be at same point. If it is not at front of them, then there will be error. So first you keep 0 both circular and main scale. So now after that we start to measure radius of curvatures, glass, plate and different kinds of materials according to the radius of curvature. So now see here, this is the 0 and this is the 10. So one rotation by the circular shape structure, this circular one rotation is equal to 100 millimeter, and when it will complete one rotation, then it will move 1 millimeter upside when it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. When it will move anti-clockwise direction, then it will come up, and when it will move clockwise direction, it will go downside. So now total is the least count of this. The least count equal to what will be 1 millimeter of the main scale is equal to 1 millimeter of main scale equal to 0.1 centimeter, and 1 millimeter of main scale is equal to 100 millimeter of circular structure. So 1 millimeters of main scale to equal to 100 millimeter of circular reading. So circular division. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to what will happen? Total 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100 means what? 1 CSD, 1 circular division is equal to 1 upon 100 millimeter of main division. So the least count will be 0.001. This is the least count.